Good morning. It's Holafly and welcome back to another video from the Island Life Samoa. Today we're heading to town doing some shopping. And here's our kayas at the back. Where do you want to go?
Do you remember what shop you want to go to?
I want to ice cream shop.
Where?
I want to
The ice cream shop?
shop.
Ice cream shop? Ice cream shop? Is your brother sleeping?
Brother sleeping. Okay.
And you're not sleeping?
I'm not sleeping.
Oh, okay. Okay, say bye. Bye everyone.
Bye.
So cute.
Look, I
This girl is.
so cute. Really cute.
Come along with us, we'll show you around town today.
Beautiful Samoa, with Island Life Samoa. Beautiful Samoa, with Island Life Samoa. Feel your song to my go-to. Yeah, I'm loving this song. Faz a roda daqui na estrada. Oh, yeah. Baby, roda daqui na.
The weather's a bit cloudy today, so we forgot to eat breakfast at home. So now we're gonna go eat some pork bun for breakfast. Anyways, here's town.
Sun on the valley roof, salt on my skin. Happy I'm morning waking, let the day roll in. Mama at the market, fish on ice so bright. We move slow and smiling till the stars take night. Hey, hear that water call, little drums in the yard. Bare feet, no hurry, that's how we are. Happy a time, take me home, let it ride. Samoa life, we hold close, we live wide. Happy a time.
Welcome to the Fungalei bus stop. Look at those, man.
May not make it there.
Look at those colorful bus. Samoa Island bus. We're gonna go through the pork bun shacks.
Should we just go through?
Yeah, you can just park.
And then you can just jump out and I'll just go as slow as I can. Broken? Or just
Jump
park here?
Yeah.
There's nothing here.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's Holafly and welcome to the pork bun shack here in Samoa.
Bare feet, no hurry, that's how we are. Happy a time, take me home, let it ride. Samoa life, we hold close, we live wide. Happy a time, from the reef to the sky. Samoa life, oh, this is ours tonight. Oh, this is ours tonight. When the rain comes down.
Sick.
check out the pancake, Samoan pancake. Hi, Kaya.
That's how many pancakes you get for one tala. Chicken? You don't want popcorn? You want to try it?
Nothing tastes like the Samoan popcorn. Really nice.
Are they?
Is it yummy, Kaya? Bus stop right there. Pancake. That's the Samoan breakfast. Hey babe. Samoan breakfast. Alright. See you guys in the next clip, yeah? See? Let me show you the Samoan bus.
Yeah. Yeah. Bare feet on the sand, soft on my skin. Moon in the water, and I let it in. Palm trees moving slow, drums in my chest. I keep it simple, baby, you know I know the rest. Close, then I drift, far, then I rise. Got that island pool in my eyes. Island life some more. Island life some more. Island life some more. Yeah, yeah. Some more. Yeah, yeah, some more. Take me where the tide goes. Take me where the night goes. Island life some more. Some more. Blue on the horizon, gold in your hand. I'm moving with the moment like it understands. Every wave of promise, every breath of flame. I say your name softly, then I say it again. Close, then I drift, far, then I rise. Got that island pool in my eyes. Island life some more. Island life some more. Island life some more.
That's the bus stop here in Samoa. Holafly guys, we're here at Aliki Wholesale. Look at this baby boy. I don't know. What are you doing here, baby?
Came to get some good prices.
She's here to buy one egg. That's all.
We used to box. Box of eggs.
Yeah?
Eh,
What do you have to say?
Milk. I want the milk.
You want milk?
Milk. Watermelon.
It's like guava. Is it guava? It's guava.
That's guava.
Guava juice. It's orange juice. Just juice. Fresh shot. What's this one? This is the milk.
It's the milk.
Oh, that's so good. Soy. It's soy milk. Vanilla flavor. Skippy. Like cereal.
Daddy,
Uh-huh.
I want to eat.
Okay. Sit down.
And how much is the mayonnaise? Just like one. Can you get one? You can get one for your salad.
What are you getting? What are you getting?
Toilet paper.
You're getting toilet paper. What do you have to say? Hmm? What are you getting today? So you pay for your order inside and then you have to come out here and pick it up. Pick it up out here. That's the warehouse right there. And that's the line. Yeah. Just come this side. Kaya, come here. Kawal pa ilali. Kumay ko yung family mo. Got the keys? Chay la ba uso? Mangwiraso. Put the baby down.
Take one of the wipe.
If you guys are enjoying watching our videos, please
Hit that button.
continue on
One.
continue on supporting us by comment, subscribe and like. We will do more videos for you guys. Record more videos of Samoa and our island life journey. Yeah?
That's right.
That's right,
You
guys.
heard it here first.
You heard it here first. Alright guys, we'll see you guys on the next clip.
Yeah.
Pharmacy.
Is that the new one? No, the new one's up there.
No, that's the new one.
Okay, can you please check how much the baby Vicks, if they've got it, is? Or are we all going in?
I think so.
There's a lot of girls' hair accessories. A lot. Wow, what did you find, Kaya? What is it? Wow. A headband and clips. Nice. So pretty. Look, Kaya, this way, baby.
So we're here looking for Baby Vicks. The Vicks for the children. You see it?
Yeah.
Look, that's the cream.
Yeah, pseudo cream.
Baby cream.
I don't know how much it costs.
Okay, I'm just showing around. Showing the camera around. They got the clam too. Hey, how much is it? It's 27.50. 375 gram.
Show them. Show them you can get a different size.
And they even got the what's that one? 175 gram for $12.50. That's so cool. They got a lot of. They got that whole. Yeah. All the baby supplies. They got dummies, bottle, toys. Bottle tip. Got the beach stuff here, yeah? Kaya, come here.
Oh, look at that.
This one. Pink house.
$340. This is what Kiahi needs.
Look. Black Panther. Black Panther. Look at that. Dre Till will love this side. We got Iron Man. Black Panther. Who's this one?
Black Adam.
Black Adam. That's all Black Adam.
Yeah, that's the Rock, isn't it? Black Adam.
Mm-hmm.
So there's Vicks there.
There's Vicks here.
I know. Oh, they've got a little one of it. Oh, they do. Yeah. That's what we need. Yeah, we've got to get baby Vicks. It acts as a repellent and it helps soothe the mosquito bites. It's a necessity here.
Yeah.
How much is this one?
So that's $36.50.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Teleia, ole sami, telefoila, ole vao, telemanu, feleleile laji, teleteina, fakasi, aesili, ayo ela upele. Olela, oh Samoa, matemaya la utupua, ole mataua e momia me tagata ole lalele yo Samoa e fai ma filio tama. Let me hear you whisper, let me hear your sigh. Let me put my arms around you, let me call you mine. To my lowly, my tautala, my dear boy. Tauina e loa, olo alo falena. E ana tamasani, e a, e ana e yo e.
The sunset.
Trees moving slow, drums in my chest. I keep it simple, baby, you know I know the rest. Close, then I drift, far, then I rise. Got that island pool in my eyes.
Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.
Island life some more. Island life some more. Island life some more. Yeah, yeah. Some more, yeah, yeah, some more. Take me where the tide goes. Take me where the night goes. Island life, some more. Some more. Blue on the horizon, gold in your hand. I'm moving with the moment like it understands. Every wave of promise, every breath a flame. I say your name softly, then I say it again. Close, then I drift, far, then I rise. Got that